What the fuck is this? It's like paper mache. This is like a unnatural wood back there. That right there, it doesn't fucking move. You think that's dirt or something? Look. Yeah. It won't even flake off. Look. Nothing. Am I in an AI forest? Is this an AI forest? What the fuck is going on here? This something. Nature's got it wrong back there. This is crazy. I mean, why the fucking little white pieces? Why? That's AI bullshit. Let me get out of here before I grow 6 fingers.